Hi there, this is Ryan Shore, President and co-founder of Full Steam Ahead, here to show you how to access your students' projects using Scratch. First, a little bit of background information about Scratch. Scratch.mit.edu is the website. It is a free coding platform that is made for kids to learn how to code, to animate, to create games, and all kinds of really neat projects. So we use Scratch quite a bit. It is free, like I mentioned, so you're welcome to create your own account. I highly encourage it, but you're also welcome to use ours. So first thing you'll need to do to access your student projects is sign in. In order to do that, you can use our sign in or you can create your own, but they created them using our sign in. So Full Steam Ahead FL is the username, and the password is make sing with a capital S and an exclamation mark for the I, learn. So that's make sing learn, capital S and an exclamation mark for the I. Once you log in here, you can click on this folder. It's going to show all of the student projects that have been made here. You can see there's 7,527. Unfortunately, this search bar up here does not do a good job. This searches all the projects on Scratch that are public, not just ours. So we have to scroll down and down and down and down. And oftentimes you can see when the project, you can always see when the project is made. So 6 days ago. So if we want to look at a project, we can just click See Inside or click on the actual project itself. We always try to encourage the kids to name it. In fact, we always check to make sure they've named it, but that doesn't always mean that they get named. So we're going to click See Inside to see the project. And you'll be able to see the code over here. This is the coding blocks that they use. Here's the actual code for this project. Here's the actual screen. You can make it full screen if you want. Over here is our backdrops, and over here is our sprites or our characters. So I've never seen this project, but we'll click the green flag, see what happens. I'll make it full screen as well. Seems like a very neat project. So that is one way to access these projects. The other way I will show you is if you have a downloaded project file that's been emailed to you or that your student brought home with you. In order to access that, you actually don't need to log in for this. So I can show you how to do this when you're signed out. We can just click Create a Project. And up here, once you've downloaded the project file, it should be an SB3 file. Once you've downloaded it, you just click File, Load from your computer. You're going to go to the location. In my case, it's in the Downloads folder. You're going to go to the location where the project was downloaded and click on the file, click Open, and it'll open the file that was created, the Scratch project that was created right here. So same thing, we got our code over here, we've got our animation over here, we click the green flag to view it, and that's how you can view your students' Scratch projects. Thank you very much.